Let's first recall how
Demag.
track recording is accomplished.
Parker, Unic, Monarch, TMHU, Samsung Engineering, Combilift, Soilmec, Tadano Limited, Daewoo, Palfinger, Yamaha Corporation, Sumitomo Group, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Mitsubishi Group, Hitachi, Nissan Motor Manufacturing UK, AB Volvo, Clark Material Handling Company, Liebherr, Holland Agriculture, Komatsu Limited, Yale Materials Handling Corporation, Deere, Bobcat Company, Linde Material Handling, Caterpillar Inc.,
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track
Toyota,
recording is accomplished.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.